How to verify Taptap send and send money transfers. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do that. So first of all, open up the Taptap send account. After that, you need to click on this option of login or sign up. Provide your first name and last name. After that, it will ask you to provide your email address and password. Just provide it. After that, you need to select your country and then provide the phone number. And this way a code will be sent to your phone number. All you have to do is just provide that code in order to verify your phone number. After that, you will be able to log into Taptap. And this way you would be able to make money transfers. And for that, just select the country of the recipient where you want to send the money. Just select that country and type the amount that you want to send. And then select the method that you want to use for sending money. It can be bank transfer or any other way that you want to use. Suppose you use the bank transfer, then simply select the bank transfer and then provide the bank details of that recipient, and after that you will be able to send money. And this is how you verify Taptap send and send money transfers. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.